No, we're not.
Yeah, we are. Hello, people of YouTube and all who watch this stupid little broadcast. It's me, Timothy TKO, with my guest star, VampGurl. Okay, what we're gonna do is chug our ciders. Whoever belches the best wins. So 3, 2, 1, go. That was weak.
Well, I barely had anything to belch off of. Oh, you want to go now? You want to go? I'll take that as a yes.
No, that was all from the cider.
Oh, fuck. Wait a minute.
That was amazing.
That was a bleh. Sounds like you're about to throw up.
Damn.
Uh-oh.
Excuse me.
I got it.
Well, people, that was a little belching contest, so
Thanks so much.
doses.